Hello friends, today we will discuss how to free sign up on LeadUp app. LeadUp app is totally a new app which was started 1st of September. So come first, come fast and get benefit from LeadUp app. Today in this video I will tell you how to use LeadUp app. It's totally free. You can use LeadUp app and you can earn money. So first of all you have to register on LeadUp app. So for registration what you have to do I will tell complete in this video. You have to watch this video complete and then you will understand. First of all you have to open any of your favorite browser. Then you will write www.learnbuildlead.com slash the name of the sponsor who is sponsoring you slash leadup sign up. So after that here comes your sponsor name, title, Mr. First name, you have to write here first name. For example I write here Kamran, last name Khan. Then you have to write email address which you are using. So we will send activation code on this email address. Company will send you activation code. So write email address. After writing email address, click send activation code on your email. So company will send activation code on your email. So now open your email which you are using, which you write down here. So activation code sent successfully on your email address. Kindly type send activation code into below activation box. So now open your email address where your email comes. So this is the email, check in inbox. Yeah, this is the email from LBL business. LBL activation code is here. Your one-time code activation code is this one. So I will write, or I will copy this code and write on my form. So I paste here, I copy that code and paste it here. After that you will select your country. From any country you belong you will select from here. For example we are from Pakistan. Next option is select your state, and next you have to write your mobile number which you are using. That is also very important. After mobile number you have to write username. That username is much important. You have to remember that username. Whenever you want to log in to your LBL account you need this username and password, and also write down the password which you have to remember. Secret question, you can choose any secret question and you will write the answer. After that check these three boxes. These are terms and condition, and then you have to sign up. Click on sign up. Congratulations, you have signed up to LBL official website. Your free sign up is completed. Now you can start your lead up download activation process. You can start this process after login to your back office. We look forward to helping you achieve your life goals. So now you have to go to your my account and write down this ID and password which you have created now. Write down ID and password and click on login. So now on this screen we have activate your mobile app, earn and pay. So you have to click on this activate your mobile app. Here you have to write password of your mobile app. This is new password, not the password which you used already during filling of your form. You will put here new password. Remember that password also. After putting password and confirm password, same password, you have to submit this one. Click on submit. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your LeadUp app. Kindly download the app from below link to activate your LBL back office. So now you have to download the app from the Play Store. Download